It's day one, I'm in Albuquerque. All right, so I made it here to Albuquerque. I got on the train at midnight, just about, and it is currently 6:30 Mountain Time. 17 and a half hour train ride here to Albuquerque. I now have a 3-mile walk to my hotel, but Albuquerque's crazy. There's mountains and stuff. Whoa, check that out. Alright, day one in Albuquerque done. I made it to my Days Inn hotel. For being like the cheapest one I could find almost. It's alright. It's not too bad. I don't have any cold water in my sink, but it's the only complaint I have so far. It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna hit the sack. Not too much going on today, you know, just the ride and walking here, and I got some food from Walmart for supper for the next couple days and some snacks and stuff. But I'm gonna hit the hay and get ready for a big day tomorrow. Adios.